Hey traders, welcome to a segment that I call BS, and we're going to cover Kodak. Some news today out in Kodak and get this, the CEO of the company tweeted that he will be on a television show. I think it was the Wall Street Journal live TV show this afternoon. And seconds before he tweeted that, there was Kodak call options here hitting the tape. Weekly call options, might I add. So here with the stock around 880, I start seeing call flow hit the scanner and the weekly options. Next thing you know, I look over to my my trade exchange. It's a news feed. I have no affiliation with them or anything. I just like them for my news feed here. And the CEO tweets that he will be, I think it was Wall Street Journal Live or something. The stock rallies about 50 cents higher on this news here. You can see the volume come in here, and the stock is still actually trading higher. So just some funny business that a public company, and this is kind of the market we're in with technology, where companies are tweeting out appearances, just baffling to me. Kodak had a big run up that they had a contract, with the government, and then they got investigated, and just I call BS on this pig. I don't think there's really any value here, and to me, it's looking like another Hertz. Back when it was, you remember when it went bankrupt and then popped again, and now Hertz actually just the other day had news after not trading at all. These companies are pure junk, garbage. I like calling these people who put these bullshit bets on, I guess I can say it since it's I call BS, donks or donkeys. And Kodak, you may have a one-day pop here in the stock, but reality will sink in, and I think this piggy, heck, I think by next week you see the stock around $8. So big time off the highs where it's trading right now. And if you look at the prior history, something really important, every time the stock has spiked in the past, I mean, it just spiked Friday. Look what has happened. $1 off the highs from this spike, a spike here, faded, a spike here, faded. So don't get married to these companies. If you want to short it, obviously manage your risk. You can look at put options. But if you're trading them, you can day trade them, but don't get married and swing trade pigs like Kodak.